In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the side step for Land Rover Discovery 4. This is the Land Rover side step, the right side step, the left side step, the hardware bolts, the nuts and washers, the front mounting bracket, the middle mounting bracket, the rear mounting bracket. The following are the tools used for replacing the water pump: large impact wrench, medium electric ratcheting wrench, trim clip removal tool, medium T20 bit, medium Torx bit, medium 10mm deep socket, large 13mm deep socket. Lift the vehicle. Since the vehicle we chose had already installed side steps, the holes on the rocker panel are already cut. If the rocker panel does not have holes cut yet, we need to find the corresponding brackets, line them up to the correct mounting locations, then cut out the plastic where blocks the mounting location. Open the front and rear doors. Use a trim clip removal tool. Remove the two retaining clips on the front fender flare. Use an electric ratcheting wrench with a Torx bit. Remove the lower retaining screws on the mud flap. Use a T20 bit with an electric ratcheting wrench. Remove the two upper retaining nuts on the mud flap. Remove the mud flap. Use a trim clip removal tool. Remove the retaining clips on the bottom of the rocker panel. Use an electric ratcheting wrench with a Torx bit. Remove the rear retaining bolt on the rocker panel. Use a trim clip removal tool. Remove the clips on the top of the rocker panel. For the front of the rocker panel, we first need to pop the fender flare open. Use a trim clip removal tool. Pry open the clips on the front of the rocker panel. Remove the rocker panel. Install the right front bracket. Install the right front bracket bolt. Before installation, we need to install a washer first. Install the lower mounting bolt on the bracket. Install the remaining mounting bolts. Install the right middle bracket. Line up the holes and install the mounting bolts. The mounting bolts need to install washers. Install the remaining mounting bolts. Install the remaining bolts. Install the right rear bracket. Line up the holes and install the bolts. When installing the bolts, make sure the washers are seated properly. Install the remaining bolts. Use a large 13mm deep socket with an impact wrench. Tighten the bracket mounting bolts. Continue tightening the remaining mounting bolts. Once the brackets are installed, install the rocker panel. Before installing the rocker panel, we need to cut the holes for the brackets. Install the rocker panel. Once the rocker panel is lined up, secure the clips. Secure the front clips. Secure the front fender flare. Use an electric ratcheting wrench with a Torx bit. Tighten the screws and secure the rocker panel screws. Install the front fender flare retaining clips. Install the mud flap. Install the lower retaining screw on the mud flap. Use a T20 Torx bit with an electric ratcheting wrench. Tighten the upper mounting bolts on the mud flap. Install the remaining mounting bolts. Use an electric ratcheting wrench with a Torx bit. Tighten the lower mounting bolts on the mud flap. Install the lower clip. Install the right side step. Install the mounting nuts between the step and the brackets. We need to install a washer on top of the nut. Install the remaining nuts one by one. Use an electric ratcheting wrench with a medium 10mm deep socket. Tighten the nuts between the step and the bracket. Lower the vehicle. The installation process for the left side step is the same as the right side.